Welcome to this week's insert of Self-Development Pure. We're going to be talking about how our problems are like a constant, annoying sound at the back of our minds. I'm sure I don't have to remind you how annoying it is when you forget to put on your seatbelt and that loud, constant beeping sound comes on disturbing your peace. Or it's 6 a.m. in the morning and your alarm goes on, buzzing bells pushing you out of your sheets. I'm sure we all know how annoying those sounds can be. It always seems like our human minds cannot stand the constant repetition of the same sound. Constant repetition of sound waves of the same sound moves from sound to noise. Sadly to say, so is a problem in our lives. As humans, we have a lot of basic needs which are so essential to our lives that when missing, they are like a constant annoying sound that our minds cannot stop but notice and place all attention on that particular thing that seems to be missing. This now raises an important question. What's your annoying sound? We all have different annoying sounds in our lives. Some louder than others. Let's start with low vibrating sounds like I need faster internet coverage, a bigger TV, a new car, a raise or promotion. Then let's move on to louder annoying sounds which have high-pitched noise decibels that skyrocket to the moon. For example, I lost my family in a car crash. We do not know where our next meal will come from. I do not have legs. Or me and my family have become homeless. As you may notice, our problems are like an annoying sound when you are faced with a particular situation in life. All of your mind focuses on is what is going wrong, and what we do not have or lack. It could consume us most of our time, leave us daydreaming or wondering how life would be if that particular annoying sound was taken away. Let's exchange sounds. How many times have you ever wondered to yourself, life would be so much better if I had his family, her job, his car, or that house next door? The human mind loves to play around with different scenarios of how life would be if we were other people daily. When we compare ourselves to other people's sound problems to ours, we feel that we could be much happier if we were in their shoes. Well, is that the truth? Or that's just wishful thinking? Now let's take in the blue pill, the tough pill to swallow. The truth. Would life be easy if we had other people's problems? Well, I guess we will never know. Here is what I know though. Life is like a game of poker. P.S. I don't play poker. We are all dealt a hand of cards. Sadly, since poker is not fair, so is life. Some hands of cards are better than others. What's more interesting is that you having a good hand does not necessarily mean you automatically winning the game. Winning the game depends on what type of risks are you willing to take with your given cards, whether bad or good. Yes, you work with what you have and accompany that with calculated risk-taking and makes you a victor in life. Daydreaming about what you don't have or how others have more or less or an upper hand than you will only draw you back in this life. Start taking action and use your resources, which is whatever is available to you. That will be the main ingredient in your life. Use it around to help you deal with that beeping sound, that annoying sound in the background. So, we are all provided with different types of ingredients. For example, in this life, it feels like our aim is to make a cake. And to make this cake is like to win the challenge of life. And as people, we all have different ingredients to make this cake. Some only have flour and water. Some are more fortunate, have flour and water and eggs and oil. So depending on who you are and what ingredients you have, you need to take those ingredients and use them to come up with your cake, which is the success we all want in life. So don't spend most of your time pondering your mind or daydreaming of the things that you don't have and what other people have, or wishing if your life was a certain type of way, you would be a much better person or in a much better position to do things to change your life if you were someone else. Instead, use whatever ingredients that are in your life to beat that constant annoying sound that's beeping in your life. Thank you. Thank you for being a part of this week's insert. Please subscribe, share, and comment. And be ready to receive more uplifting content. Thank you.